Hello to all of you. Let's see how many commandments am I following in my blogging life in 2021. To start with, the first commandment is thou shalt be authentic. Yes, I am 100% proud of it that my blog has authentic content. Whatever I have written up till now is authentic and original from myself. So yes, I am following this commandment 100%. Coming up to the next commandment, it is thou shalt be consistent. Well, since 2 months, 1 month from the last year also, I have been writing one post per week. So if that's counted to be consistent, then yes, I am following this commandment as well. Going on to the next commandment, thou shalt be responsive. Yes, I am 100% responsive to my readers, and I love when they come to my blog and leave a comment. I immediately or at the earliest respond to them, and if I have missed also, that must be a mistake also. Then the next one is thou shalt build thy community. Well, if I say or not, my blog is successful because of my community only. I may have started it on my own, but it is because of the community only that it is successful as of now. The next commandment, thou shalt know what thou write about. Yes, I am very much aware of what content I am writing, though I would still want to put up more time on research. I want to research more different forms and from different sources about the content I am writing, and then add it to my content so that before publishing it is well equipped with more anecdotes and different uh, points of research. The next commandment is thou shalt keep learning. Well, this will always be work in progress because I can never say that I have learned all. The more I learn, the more things I see that I have to learn again. So this is also the word of the year also on my blog for this year, that says thou shalt keep learning. So it will always be there. So no 100% or 10%. The next commandment is thou shalt experiment. Yes, I have experimented with different forms of content like podcast, and I've also made a few videos also that are embedded in my content. But still, writing remains my first love. So yes, I'm open to experiment more forms in the coming year. So the next commandment is thou shalt add value. Yes, I always try to add value to my posts so that they become much more helpful to my readers. But I am open to learn more, and this year I'm practicing to research more types or like more ways how can I add value to my content. Next commandment is thou shalt design for accessibility. This I would say yes, a little of my blog is accessible right now. Like it has a search bar, it has my name, it has what am I doing, what are the latest posts or the categories I write about. But I want to work on this commandment in detail in this year. So I may have just started, but I want to research more ways and how can I make my blog accessible to all sections of people. And the last commandment is thou shalt promote thyself. I am not very proud to say that I am lazy to promote my work, and I have been working on this, but somehow I feel after publishing my work is finished and just publishing just sharing it on 1 or 2 3 4 platforms, that is done. But no, I need to practice this commandment very seriously this year because I know how to promote, and that will help because talking about the content I am going to write before writing and during working on it and after is important, but I don't do it, I know. So this commandment I definitely want to work upon this coming year. So that was all about how the 10 commandments affect my blogging life. So time for you to share how are you going about this year with these commandments.